Welcome, my littles. Welcome to the word of translation. It is past indefinite tense negative. Earlier, you have studied past indefinite tense affirmative. वह जाता था, वह खाता था, वे पीते थे, वे सोते थे. Now we will go for past indefinite tense negative. वह नहीं जाती थी, वह नहीं जाता था, वे नहीं खाते थे, वे नहीं पीते थे. Identification of the sentence, past indefinite tense negative. In Hindi sentence, nahi comes before verb. In Hindi sentence, nahi comes before verb. वह नहीं जाती थी, वह नहीं जाता था, वे नहीं खाते थे, हम नहीं पीते थे. वह जाती थी, वह नहीं जाती थी, वह जाता था, वह नहीं जाता था, वे खाते थे, वे नहीं खाते थे, हम पीते थे, हम नहीं पीते थे. नहीं. Rule. Now the rules. Rule number 1, we use did not. For nahi, we use did not in past indefinite tense negative. We use did not before verb and after the subject. After the subject, it is immaterial whether the subject is singular or plural. In both the cases, either the subject is singular or plural, we use did not, didn't. And number 2, we use first form of the verb. In past indefinite tense affirmative, we use second form of the verb. Here we use first form of the verb because we have already used did not. Did, do, did, done. Do की second form did, we use did not. वह नहीं जाती थी, she did not go. She did not go. Now I am going to dictate you some sentences. Please write in your notebook. I am going to dictate you some Hindi sentences. Sentence number 1. वह नहीं जाती थी. वह नहीं जाती थी. नहीं के ऊपर अंक की बिंदी, न की बिंदी जरूर आती है. प्लीज लिसन इट केयरफुल्ली. सेंटेंस नंबर 2. वह नहीं जाता था. प्लीज राइट. वह नहीं जाता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 3. वे नहीं खाते थे. वे नहीं खाते थे. सेंटेंस के बाद में पूर्ण विराम जरूर लगाना होता है. सेंटेंस नंबर 1 वह नहीं जाती थी. सेंटेंस नंबर 2 वह नहीं खाता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 3 वह नहीं खाते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 4 हम नहीं पीते थे. हम नहीं पीते थे. नहीं के ऊपर अंक की बिंदी जरूर आती है. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुल्ली. और है के ऊपर बड़ी की मात्रा आती है. सेंटेंस नंबर 5 लड़के नहीं खेलते थे. लड़के नहीं खेलते थे. पूर्ण विराम लगाना जरूरी होता है. सेंटेंस नंबर 6 लड़का नहीं खेलता था. लड़का नहीं खेलता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 4 हम नहीं पीते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 5 लड़के नहीं खेलते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 6 लड़का नहीं खेलता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 7 लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ती थी. लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ती थी. लड़कियां कियां क्या के ऊपर छोटी की मात्रा है. लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ती थी. सेंटेंस नंबर 8 लड़की नहीं पढ़ती थी. लड़की नहीं पढ़ती थी. सेंटेंस नंबर 8 लड़की नहीं पढ़ती थी. प्लीज राइट केयरफुल्ली एंड ब्यूटिफुली. लड़की नहीं पढ़ती थी. सेंटेंस नंबर 9 राम नहीं दौड़ता था. राम नहीं दौड़ता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 10, हम नहीं पढ़ते थे, हम नहीं पढ़ते थे, हम नहीं पढ़ते थे। सेंटेंस नंबर 11, मैं नहीं पढ़ता था, मैं नहीं पढ़ता था। सेंटेंस नंबर 12, तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे, तुम तय के ऊपर छोटे हो की मात्रा है, तुम नहीं अंक की बिंदी, पढ़ते थे पूर्ण विराम, तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे। तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे। नाउ 13 नंबर, सेंटेंस नंबर 13, आप नहीं खेलते थे, आप तुम, आप और तुम, यू, YOU, तुम नहीं खेलते थे, आप नहीं खेलते थे, आप नहीं खेलते थे। राधा नहीं गाती थी, सेंटेंस नंबर 14, 14 नंबर, राधा नहीं गाती थी, नहीं के ऊपर भी बड़ी की मात्रा है, गाती तय के ऊपर भी बड़ी की मात्रा है, राधा नहीं गाती थी। नाउ 15 नंबर, वे नहीं तैरते थे, वे नहीं तैरते थे। 15 नंबर, वे नहीं तैरते थे। सेंटेंस नंबर 16, श्याम नहीं सोता था, श्याम नहीं सोता था, श्याम नहीं सोता था। Now I am repeating the rules once more. We use did not, didn't before verb, either the subject is singular or plural. So, rule number 2, we use first form of the verb. We use first form of the verb. Sham nahi sota tha, Sham did not sleep. Did not, we use did not, nahi. And the first form of the verb, sleep. Sham is subject. Sham did not sleep. Sham nahi sota tha. Did not की जगह we can write didn't. This is the short form of did not. Okay. Now I am going to translate all the 16 sentences into English. Sentence number 1, वह नहीं जाती थी, वह नहीं जाती थी। She did not go. वह she नहीं, did not नहीं थी, did not जाती go. वह नहीं जाती थी, she did not go. Number 2, वह नहीं जाता था, he did not go. Yeah, he didn't go. You can also write didn't go. He did not go. वह नहीं जाती थी, वह लड़की के लिए है तो she आता है, वह नहीं जाता था, वह लड़के के लिए है तो he आता है। She did not go, he did not go. He did not go. सेंटेंस नंबर 3, वे नहीं खाते थे, वे THEY they means वे नहीं थे, did not, did, NOT not, did not, खाने की eat, the first from the verb. Again I am repeating the rule. We use did not and we use first from the verb. They did not eat. They did not eat. वे नहीं खाते थे, they did not eat. हम नहीं पीते थे, सेंटेंस नंबर 4, हम नहीं पीते थे, we, हम मीन्स we, did not drink, first form of the verb, did not plus first form of the verb, we did not drink, we did not drink. हम नहीं पीते थे, we did not drink. Again I am telling you the rules. Rule number 1, we use did not and we use first form of the verb. Earlier we used second form of the verb, but here we use first form of the verb. लड़के नहीं खेलते थे. Sentence number 5. लड़के, the boys, नहीं थे, did not. The boys did not. खेलना, PLA play. The boys did not play. The boys did not play. लड़का नहीं खेलता था. Sentence number 6. लड़का नहीं खेलता था. The boy did not play. Now here you see the boy did not play. In sentence number 5, the boys, plural. The subject is plural. And in sentence number 6, the boy, ladka, the subject is singular. In both the cases, we use did not and first form of the verb. Did not play, did not play. The boys did not play, the boy did not play. Sentence number 7, लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ती थी. लड़कियां नहीं पढ़ती थी. The girls did not read. The girls did not read. Read is the first form. Read, read, read. Here we use first form of the verb. Read, read. The girls did not read. Sentence number 8. लड़की नहीं पढ़ती थी. The girl did not read. The girl did not read. Here, sentence number 8, the girl. Subject is the girl. It is singular. Sentence number 7, the girls. Subject is plural. But in both the cases, we use did not and first form of the verb. The girls did not read. The girl did not read. सेंटेंस नंबर 9. राम नहीं दौड़ता था. राम, RM Ram, did not. And first form of run, run, are you in run? Ram did not run or Ram didn't run. Ram did not run or Ram didn't run. Sentence number 10. हम नहीं पढ़ते थे. We did not read. We did not read. Now in sentence number 9, Ram did not run. Ram, subject is Ram. काम करने वाला कौन है? दौड़ने वाला कौन है? Ram. Ram is subject. Ram is singular. And in sentence number 10, हम is plural. हम बहुत सारे, हम plural. But in both the cases we use did not. Ram did not, we did not. Ram did not run, we did not read. Ram did not run, we did not read. Therefore, in both the cases, we use did not. मैं नहीं पढ़ता था. Sentence number 11. मैं नहीं पढ़ता था. I did not read. I did not read. मैं नहीं पढ़ता था. I did not read. I did not. Did read. I did not read. Now sentence number 12. तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे. You did not read. तुम, Y-O-U, you means तुम. Did not, second did, do, did, done. Here we use did. Do, did, done. Therefore, when there is use of main verb read, we don't use second form or third form. We use first form of the verb. You did not read. Did is the second form of do. Do, did, done. Therefore, you did not read. तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे. You did not read. Next 13 number. आप नहीं खेलते थे. आप नहीं खेलते थे. आप और तुम. The spelling is you. You did not play. You did not play. खेलने की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करेंगे play and did not. You did not play. राधा नहीं गाती थी. Radha did not sing. राधा is subject. तो राधा नहीं थी, did not. Sing, ऐसे है जी sing. Sing is the first form of sing. गाने की फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या है? Sing. Radha did not sing. Radha did not sing. 13 number. आप नहीं खेलते थे. You did not play. You did not play. Radha did not sing. Radha did not sing. The rule is use of did not and use of first form of the verb. Sentence number 15. वे नहीं तैरते थे, वे THEY दे, वे नहीं तैरते थे, they, and did not. Plus the first form of the verb, तैरने की swim, SWIM swim. They did not swim. Did not, in spite of did not, you can use didn't. They did not swim. 16 number, Sham नहीं सोता था. Sham did not sleep. Sham did not sleep. Sham did not sleep. Sham subject, did not, and sleep is the first form of सोना. सोने के sleep. In sentence number 15, we, the subject is plural. In sentence number 16, Sham, subject is singular. But in both the cases, we use did not and first form of the verb. वे नहीं तैरते थे, they did not swim. Sham नहीं सोता था, Sham did not sleep. Okay, my littles, this session is over. Again, I am telling you the rules. Rule number 1, we use did not. In past indefinite tense negative, we use second form of the verb. No, we don't use second form of the verb. We use first form of the verb. And we use did not. And we use did not. Again, please listen it carefully. We use did not. Either the subject is singular or plural. In both the cases, we use did not and first form of the verb. First form of the verb. Okay, my littles? This session is over. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.